Hey guys, today I am going to take you a walkthrough of setting up a Wasabi backup for the UNAS Pro. Now this can apply to any of the other NASs, but let's go ahead and get started. So I do know that I have a drive failure. I'm not really concerned about it right now, but let's take you through this, and that's why I have this backup too. I haven't replaced it yet anyways, but let's just go ahead and give the task name. We'll say test Wasabi backup. Sure. So and then you'll select data and backup. You can do all files or select file, just choose whichever you want. Select that. Cloud service, select on Wasabi. Now the reason why I like to use this Wasabi is that it's pretty cheap per terabyte. I think it's around $3 per terabyte. And then for this information, we'll have to move over to Wasabi. Now here's, the dashboard. If you need a great account, go ahead and do so. Right now I am going to create a policy. Now you have to create a policy anyways for the JSON file that Ubiquiti provides on their website, which I'll link down below. So let me go ahead and grab that JSON text and we'll go ahead and create a new policy. We'll just say test UNAS. Doesn't support spaces, so you can add tabs or dashes, excuse me. So go ahead and create that policy. Now we'll select other user, create user. We'll say test UNAS. Sure, why not? You do need to select the API keys. Next, and here you can attach the policy, or you can go back and edit the user and apply the policy there too. So we'll do test UNAS. Next, create user. You'll want to download this because this is the only time it'll ever show you. So go and download those keys. And in here, so example, if you didn't create the policy first, then you can go in here, down here, and assign the policy here. You don't need a save, it just applies. And then what you'll do next is come over here, create a bucket, say test UNAS as well, say organ, next. Everything else is fine, and you can create a bucket. Come over here and grab those credentials you downloaded. So go ahead and open those up. And we'll go ahead and open up this information, grab that access key and that secret access key. And then for the bucket, it'll be the bucket name we just created, which is test UNAS. Now this can take a little bit of time for it to replicate across Wasabi servers. So if you click verify and it doesn't work immediately, just give it about 5 minutes and then re-verify. And there you go. And now the server is connected, and I don't recommend doing a monthly or every day unless you want to pay for that, because deleted storage still counts to the accumulation storage. So I like to do every, bi-weekly or something like that, but up to you. Do create task, and then you can create or backup now or create task only. And there you go. We'll actually do backup now. It's probably going to create some files, but let's go and check in here, and it's already created some files. I'm going to stop that. And there you go. And that's how you create a backup schedule for Wasabi. All right, guys, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. If you need any further assistance, you can drop a comment or visit my website at mvnisp.net. All right, catch you guys later.